In the last video, we discussed the human behavior when they use the mobile phones. Then, this helps us to understand how does the company generates their revenue through the marketing firms. According to the figures, it is shown that Google generates $7.1 billion through the marketing. And this is higher than the Facebook, which has 3.3 billion. If you can recall the social network figures, Facebook performed better than Google's, but in the mobile commerce, Google wins Facebook. What are the reasons behind? One of the reasons is that Google provides different types of the apps like Google Maps, Photos, Documents, etc. Because of the multi-environment, Google performs better than Facebook. And consumers nowadays are becoming the multi-platform. Omnichannel is an important strategy for the company to draw the consumer interest and attentions. Omnichannel means the cross-channel content strategy. It means it allows different forms or the channels for the user to access through desktop, mobile phone, tablets on the TV. This is because 90% of the multi-device users use multi-device to complete an action. For example, user will view the advertisement on TV and then search over the smartphone and then purchase by the tablet. This strategy is important because it provides some marketing implications for the company to build up the consistent branding over the multiple devices, and then how should they design the cross platforms to have the responsive designs and then draw the consumer attentions. There are different types of the mobile marketing formats. People will use that for search the ads, display the apps, video, and perform some of the messengers. How do we win in the mobile marketing tools? The mobile interface versions in terms of the social networking techniques are important. According to the figure, it is shown that the display functions actually generates the revenue for 6.7 billion. It is the second. The largest revenue source for the mobile advertising spending actually come from search. So the searching functionality is very important and also serve as the key elements for the mobile commerce. There are different types of the measurements to show the effectiveness of a mobile marketing campaign. Those types of the measurement could be in the form of likes, posts, page views, times on site, unique visitors. And this figure is for a company and used by the company to understand their user over the times. The key questions behind is how does those measurements related to the transactions? How does the company can make the user to realize to become the successful customer through the transaction actions? In the next video, we will discuss one of the growing strategy for the m-commerce, which is the location-based marketing.